Hey there, fellow investors. Once again, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're setting sail on a thrilling treasure hunt, diving deep into the world of value investing. Imagine you're at a bustling garage sale, eyes peeled for hidden gems amidst the clutter. Now translate that scenario to the stock market. That's right, value investing is your treasure map, guiding you to uncover stocks that are undervalued, waiting to sparkle. Just like an overlooked antique at a garage sale, these stocks are priced lower than their intrinsic value, offering a golden opportunity for savvy investors. But how do we identify these gems in the vast stock market? And once we do, how do we ensure we're getting a good deal? Well, those are the questions we'll be answering today. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. Value investing is all about discovering undervalued gems in the stock market, just like you would at a garage sale. Let's set up our stall at this metaphorical garage sale, the stock market. Now, our first step as value investors is to delve into the financials of a company. Think about it as if you're examining a vintage toy at a garage sale. You'd want to check if it's in pristine condition, right? Similarly, we scrutinize balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to ensure the company is financially sound. Next, we aim to secure a good deal. Just as you'd haggle for a lower price at a garage sale, we also look for a margin of safety. This means we strive to buy stocks below their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against potential losses. Now, before we start buying, it's essential to evaluate the broader market. It's like considering whether buying snow boots at a tropical garage sale is a wise decision. We need to understand the industry and the market conditions to ensure our investments make sense. Diversification is another crucial element of value investing. Just like you wouldn't want to put all your money into one item at a garage sale, we spread our risk by investing in various sectors and industries. Finally, patience is our best friend in value investing. As we don't expect to immediately resell items we find at a garage sale, we also think long-term when it comes to our investments. After all, it often takes time for a stock's true value to be recognized by the market. Just as we don't expect to resell garage sale items immediately, in value investing, we think long-term. So, there you have it, value investing, much like being a savvy garage sale shopper. It's about uncovering undervalued stocks, securing them at a good deal, and patiently waiting for their value to appreciate. Just as you'd scour a garage sale for hidden treasures, you can navigate the stock market for undervalued gems. Remember, it's about understanding the financials, diversifying investments, and thinking long-term. So be the shrewd investor at the metaphorical garage sale. Also, share this video with fellow investors who might find value investing intriguing.